guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing good, fit and fine. So I'm back with another vlog and say hi to Dollar also. He's just sitting and chilling. So very recently I have updated my body care, skin care and hair care routine. You can see I have got like huge bunches of products. I have also saw from Sephora few of my makeups and everything and few of some more things. So I thought let's just unpack all these products with you guys and let's just see कि मैंने क्या क्या मंगाया है. वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज फ्रॉम आई गॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट ऑब्वियसली. ओके गाइस, तो ये है रेने का फॉल्स लैशेस. तो आई थिंक ये मेरे पिछले पार्सल का है और कोई बात नहीं, हमने इसे रीओपन कर लिया. सॉरी. तो सबसे पहले आते हैं यहाँ पे जो मैंने पैकेजेस खोले हैं. सो बिफोर दिस आई वाज यूजिंग दिस फियामा डिवल्स का सोप विच वाज वेरी नाइस बट इट वाज वेरी हाई इन फ्रेगनेंसेस. सो एंड दिस बॉडी सोप इज समथिंग विच आई लव यूजिंग. सो बिना और मेरा शावर उसके बिना कंप्लीट नहीं होता. सो आई हैव गॉट दिस डव का सीरम बार एंड मैंने पूरा पैक मंगाया है बिकॉज भाई सोप तो डेली लगाना है ना, तो ज़रूरत पड़ती है इसकी. ओके, द वेरी नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच आई हैव गॉट इज दिस लैक्मे प्रोफेशनल स्कैल्प एडवांस का शैम्पू. आई हैव यूज्ड इसके ऑलमोस्ट सारे रेंज. आई हैव स्पेशली गॉट दिस शैम्पू बिकॉज राइट, तो बेसिकली जो मेरा ये स्कैल्प का एरिया था इट वॉज गेटिंग टू ऑयली and I have to control my dandruff too, so that is why I got this Scalpi Pro and this was suggested by a very close friend of mine and obviously मेरी necessity थी जिसको मुझे लगाना ही था, इसलिए I have unpacked it पहले से ही. So yeah, these are the shampoo which I have upgraded to. Also one daily का thing था जो मुझे निकालना पड़ा which was the CeraVe का foaming cleanser. एक्चुअली इन समर्स मेरी जो स्किन है वो कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन बन जाती है. माई टी जोन गेट्स टू ऑयली and my sides are like normal to dry. So this was the best which as per my research मैंने literally इस बार अपने hair care body care के लिए for 2 to 3 weeks I have researched कि क्या मेरे face की पे क्या मेरे body पे जाएगा. So this was the best face wash which was being recommended by ChatGPT, by some influencers, by n number of people. So yeah, now the very next product which I have मैंने ये बॉटल पहले भी ली हुई थी बट मेरे महान कुत्ते ने उसे तोड़ दिया था. सो आई हैव बाइड इट अगेन. दिस इज इंडिवाइल का चम्पी हेयर ऑयल एंड आई नो दिस हेयर ऑयल वर्क्स ग्रेट, इसलिए मैंने इसकी बड़ी वाली ही बॉटल मंगा ली है सीधे because I wanted to change for a while. So the very next product is this and this product is from Nykaa. So let's just open and see कि इसमें क्या निकल रहा है. Oh, this is something which I'm very excited to use, which is the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. मैंने इसकी जो हाइप सुनी है और जो मैंने इसका सबसे सुना है कि इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्रीम, इट्स अ वेरी गुड दिस एंड दैट फॉर योर गुड डेज. सो आई थॉट लेट्स जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई गाइज एंड लेट्स जस्ट हैव अ फर्स्ट स्मेल ऑफ इट. दो मुझे इसके शैशेट्स मिले थे अभी. ओह वाओ, इट्स स्मेलिंग ग्रेट गाइज. और वो मैंने यूज़ किया था. लेट मी जस्ट चेक द टेक्सचर. गुड टेक्सचर, feels like too buttery and it has that great fragrance. मैंने इसे उसके बड़े टब में इसलिए नहीं मंगाया. इट इज़ आई गेस 150 ml because I will use this on like some good occasions or have to go for some out party or something like that, not on a daily basis. So yeah, this is something very new thing which I have got it for myself is Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. More thing, I have started using this L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum or I have started using on my whenever I do my shampoos and everything. So और इसलिए ये unpacked है because I have started using it and it has it does well on my hair I guess. So the very next product exfoliating body polish, which is in pomegranate seeds and shea butter. And let's just have a like an oh my god, oh fuck, this, its fragrance is too good, man. It's so fruity, it's so good. I feel like eating it.
अच्छा जी, ऐसा है क्या? जज़ाकल्लाह, thank you.
It's too good. It's again, it was like the best seller of Nykaa, and I have seen like in almost every people's bathroom shelf this exfoliator, so I had to get to it. Moving on to the next product, which is not an upgraded product. It is my all-time favorite नाइट सीरम. अभी तो मेरे पास इसका है, अभी चल रहा है, बट मेरा ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाला था. और आई एम यूजिंग दिस एंड इट इज़ लाइक, आप देख सकते हो इसमें बहुत कम बचा है, तो आई गॉट द अदर साइज. Yeah, this is the night serum which I use every day on my face, and it is not something which I upgrade. It is something which I'll like use it every time in my life, like till my last breath. I'll use the serum as my night repair. Okay, so this is another freebie I have got from L'Occitane, and it's in cleansing oil. So we'll just use it and let know. अगर अच्छा हुआ तो हम इसका बड़ा बॉटल भी मंगा सकते हैं. Moving on to the very next product, the shower oil from L'Occitane, and the hand cream and the feet cream. I mean, it is something like, it's too viral, guys, and I was like, I have to get my hands on it. So yeah, I have got these, and obviously I love hand creams. I need it because my body gets dry, my hands get dry, and I have seen लोगों ने बोला कि इसका cheap version could be Borolin.
बात तो सही है.
This packages which is from Tira. So basically कुछ मैंने जो प्रोडक्ट्स है मैंने अलग अलग स्पॉट से मंगाया है, मुझे जहाँ से जो मिल रहा था, because few products were not available on Nykaa, so I got it from Tira. Some products I got it from Myntra. So yeah, so it's all like a lot of research and lots of sites which I have used, and I know ये क्या हो सकता है. So the very next product which is in my hand is the Beauty of Joyce's Scar. It's a face mask. Yeah, it's a face mask. The honey and ground rice glow mask for that brightness, for that beautiful glowing skin. And इसके पहले I had used that viral purple mask which was from Foxtail. That was good, but इतना मैंने उसको use कर लिया था कि I had to use another. So oh my god, the bottle looks great, and this is the product. Let me just have a smell of it. एक तो ये सारे पैकेजिंग में इतना ढक्कन लगा देते हैं ना यार. ओके, काफ़ी कंफ्यूजिंग इसका फ्रेगनेंस है, पर ठीक है, कोई नहीं. जब तक ये हमें ग्लो देगा हम इसको मंगाते रहेंगे. From a very long time, like for almost 1.5 years, I guess, I have used the snail mucin from Cosrx, and I don't think so it has worked great on my face. Actually it didn't, so that is why I have got my hands on the new viral Dr. Althea's vitamin C boosting serum, and it's a 63% vitamin C in it, and I'm very excited to use vitamin C on my face because I want that glowing face just to shine, you know, like who doesn't love that brightness and glow, girl.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
So for the moisturizer thing, I have got my hands on the 345 viral cream. So अभी तक I was using the rice, the face shop का वो जो rice water वाला वो जो सारा क्या कहते हैं face wash, moisturizer, toner, and genuinely speaking I have loved the face wash. The cleansing face wash was A1. It's the best which I have used till date, but the moisturizer and toner, it didn't work for me great, so that is why I have got my hands on this viral 345 relief cream. सो इसे यूज़ करते हैं एंड लेट्स जस्ट सी हाउ डज इट वर्क्स ऑन माई फेस. The next product is from Amazon. I've got few stuff from Amazon itself, and can I see? Oh, it's a lip scrub. It's from the Natural something करके क्या तो नाम है इसका, the TNW lip scrub. I have like heard about this lip scrub from a very long time कि ये बहुत अच्छा करता है. So I was like, why not? इसके पहले I was using the Biotic का lip scrub. It's a very good lip scrub, but as I mentioned that I'm upgrading, so I'm upgrading from top to bottom, guys.
क्या क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
And I know I need to upgrade my body too, but ठीक है, अभी जो कर सकते हैं वो कर लेते हैं, जो हो रहा है वो कर लेते हैं बेसिकली. ओके
हैं? क्या लगेगा? टाइम लगेगा. रुका हूँ मैं, चलो रुका हूँ.
So this is the lip scrub. It's all natural lip scrub for tan and darkened lips, paraben free to uncover brighter soft lips. And as you can see, my lips are too pigmented, so I got this lip scrub for myself. So the very next packaging is again from Tira. We'll open it and we'll see, because मुझे ये याद नहीं आ रहा है कि मैंने और क्या मंगाया था Tira से except that. Oh, this clay mask looks so cute, guys. I mean, just see the clay mask. Oh, nice. Okay, so I've got a freebie from Tira. I've got this Maybelline Vinyl Ink freebie lipstick from Tira, and I got few more products from Amazon. और ये था facial eyes dip करने वाला, and you can say it facial eyes bowl. It's very handy to use. मतलब बहुत easy हो जाता है हमारा eyes को मतलब जो freeze करने में, and to use it for the face thing. So this product is a very very must have it product. Moving on to the next product. Again, it's from the Nykaa, and it is the very first is the eye serum from Beauty of Joyson, which got ginseng and retinol. So let me just open it. Okay. Mostly I have got all the like Korean products because these are the trending and has a great result on our Indian skin tone. So I was like, we will give it a try because Korea, it's like the Asian thing. So I was like, let's just try it, guys. Now this is what? It's a toner which I have got from the Beauty of Joyson, and this is the most favorite thing which I wanted to get. It's the ginseng essence water for that bright and glowing skin, and it gives that hydration, it gives that glow you want in your life. So yeah, I hope I have got great products, guys. The very next product is this body wash. I have got this for, you know, like the extras day, for that party day, for that evening, and this is for the daily use. Obviously I can't use it on daily basis because I can't take that much of latherness on my body. So yeah, I've got this glow recharge energizes and illuminate your skin, which has 3% of brightening serum with vitamin C. Vitamin C is really important thing for your body and your face. So yeah, I got this body wash for my daily use from Dove. The very next product I have my hands on, it's a Prosh का beauty blender. मेरा जो अभी वाला beauty blender था वो काफ़ी पुराना हो चुका था, so I wanted to change it. So I've got my hands on this. It's a velvet sponge microfiber for my makeup and everything to look gets flawless. Now the next product, which is, it's a cleaning pad again from Nykaa itself. It's a removal pad for your mask, for your you know, like makeup and everything. So I wanted this pad. मेरा जो पुराना वाला था वो बहुत ख़राब हो चुका था, so that is why I've got this. The next product is, और ये सारा सामान अब Nykaa से है guys, इसलिए मैंने like I have not opened it. मैंने वो already package खोल चुकी थी मैं. Now this product, I am so excited for this product, It's the Arencia Fresh Green Rice Mochi Cleanser. I mean, I have heard so much about this cleanser, guys. Like so much that it works great on your face. It cleanses everything. कि मैंने डायरेक्ट इसका मंगा लिया है बड़ा वाला टब, एंड इट्स द बेस्ट क्लेंजर यू विल एवर गेट, जो कि मुझे पता चला है. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. I have not opened it. I'm just opening in front of you guys because you guys are along.
Oh my God! Wow!
So the next product which I have in my hand is Body Wise का Underarm Roll-On. ये मुझे पता था, ये मुझे बहुत दिन से चाहिए था. I was using Chemist at Play का body roll-on, so I wanted to give it a change. So I was like, why not? Let me just open it. Oh, nice. So yeah, it's in. Yes, this is again a very great product in my hand. So this पहली चीज़ तो ये for my daily use. I love this body lotion. I have no fucking freaking idea कि मैं इसे तब से यूज़ कर रही हूँ जब से ये मार्केट में आया है. इसका ये वाला और एक इसका जो गोल्डन वाला. Me and my sister, we guys like literally eat this body lotion. We just give it to our body. So that's my favorite and the OG body lotion which I'll always use. Now I have got this L'Oreal Infallible Setting Mist. Now I have got this product because it's too viral. It does great job because I have a hydrating mist. I have Dalba. I have MAC का refreshing वाला, Radiance वाला I mean. और तो मेरे पास एक proper setting spray नहीं था, तो that is why I got this. ये अफोर्डेबल भी है, ये काम भी बहुत अच्छा करता है. So I was like, why not guys, let's just have it a try. Now again, moving on to the next product, and my favorite and my OG like life savior wala is the Absolute Repair hair mask. This tub I have no idea कि मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 10 से 12 ये यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. मैं इतने टाइम से ये यूज़ कर. सो या दीज वर द प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आई हैव गॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ गाइज. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. Thank you so much for everything. I love you guys. Keep subscribing and keep supporting me. Bye.